Hey designers, want to be your design like a data driven? Then this video is helpful for you. So in this video, this is my design and I want to do some analysis as on data driven. So I use AI tools to get this type of analysis, and for your easy, I will tell this is for new users and this is for old users. And the same screen I did every data driven analysis, right? There is a perception, attention, hotspot, clarity, and exactness. You can check clarity is 53% and exactness is 30%. So you can also check the difference between for old users and the new users, how they can see and how can they perceive the data and what they can see, and if they are first time users. So you can also get your insights and you can improve your design by using this AI tool. The tool name is iQuant.com and you can use, and it's free, and you can get your data driven result of your UI, so you can improve and get the better result for your customers and for your users. If you found video is helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and follow them for more. Thank you.